We had 4 things sell in the store overnight. Love to tell you what they are, but quite frankly, oh boy, that wind is something. That cold just fries my brain, or freezes my brain, I guess.
Brain freeze!
Alright, well, the first thing that sold in the store overnight was this movie, which is what? The Vikings. Guy needs to see an optometrist or something. He's got some issues there. Kirk Douglas, Tony Curtis, Ernest Borgnine, Janet Leigh. Or Janet Leigh.
Brain freeze!
The Vikings. And I got a box for it. I need to get my coat and gloves off so I can work.
Work, 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 work.